Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and of course another day, another product from Aliexpress, and this one costs around $4 and take a look. What do you think? What is it? What it says in the title: 85 volts to 265 AC voltage E27 wireless remote control smart timer switch lamp holder or multi-light switch. What it says: baby room, bedroom, home smart timer switch. I found it interesting and that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. And of course no bubbles. Alright, what it says: wireless lamp holder remote control model E27 screw. Alright. We have the remote control, instruction manual, and nothing more. And here it is, the E27 base holder. What it says: manufacturer Zhongshan Lighting Co. Ltd. It works from 100 volts to 240 volts AC voltage. Maximum load is 60 watts. Remember that. We have the remote control. Oh, we have this protective plastic, so not to drain the battery. Is it working? And yes, using your smartphone camera you can check the remote control, is it working, and you can see that pink light, meaning that is emitting infrared signals. Alright, what it says in the description: remote control timer switch E27 lamp holder. And what it says: wireless remote control E27 maximum 8 meters. It can detect the remote control from distance of 8 meters. Timing: it have a timer of 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes and 120 minutes. Power load, as I said, 60 watts maximum, or rated current is 0.12 amperes. And the battery include is CR2025. Oh, I need to... Come on, man. We need to press this. Yes, it's CR2025. Alright. So here I have a already connected AC 220 volts E27 base. Let's connect. Okay, and now the bulb. Whoa! It's already turned on. And let's try it. Off. Oh, so nice that it's working. Off, on, off, on, off, on. But I didn't hear any mechanical. Probably it's not with the relay, it's probably with the MOSFET. Alright, I'm gonna turn on 5 minutes and I'm gonna wait. Waiting. Come on, it should be right now. Oh, here it is. Yes, the timer is working. After 5 minutes it turned it. Oh, I didn't press anything. Never mind, probably. Oh, if it's on and you press the timer, it will flash for a very fast time, so it will indicate that the timer is on. 15 minutes, 120 minutes. Perfect. By the way, this is not, wow. By the way, this is not a ultraviolet lamp is just a violet lamp, LED lamp. Now I'm gonna try to open this thing. Come on. We're gonna see, am I correct? Will this thing work with the MOSFET? Wow. Okay, we have only two wires coming from the base, but no fuse. Why? This black LED is the infrared receiver. Let's check for sure the electronic components. What it says? 2P4M. On Mr. Google, what it says? 2P4M is widely used 2 ampere 400 volt silicon controlled rectifier or thyristor. It's not a MOSFET, it's a thyristor. Oh, my bad. And what we have here, it is the small rectifier, and this 8-pin SMD chip is probably with the timer. We have the electrolytic capacitor, couple of resistor diodes, and the thyristor, not MOSFET. Oh, my bad. But there is no fuse. Why? This thing should have a full fuse. So I need to cut the wire and add a fuse. Alright. From Aliexpress, $4 for remote controlled E27 lamp holder. And also you will get the remote control with off, on button and 5 different timers, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 60 and 120 minutes. And it says that it works from distance of 8 meters. Oh, I forgot to check that. I need to check that. Come on, man. Okay. Now I am 2 meters from the light bulb working. Now I am around 5 meters. Alright. Can you hear me? Now I am around maybe 7 or 8 meters. And it's still working. And this is probably 10 or more meters. Working fine. Alright. I like this product, and this one is pretty useful because you can control the light bulb with your remote control. The link will be in description below so you can check it. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!